Let's factorise this quadratic. Negative x squared minus 5x minus 6. What you'll notice different from this quadratic to the one that I factorised before is that in the previous example I had a positive quadratic. The cross method works perfectly as long as the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. So I need to make this coefficient positive 1 so I can use the cross method. To get rid of the negative, I'm going to take out negative 1 as a factor. So I end up with minus 1 x squared plus 5x plus 6. I now have a quadratic with a coefficient of positive 1. I'm not going to forget about the negative, but for the time being I'm going to focus just on that. Again, two numbers that multiply to give 6 and add to give 5. I'm going to try 3 and 2, as 3 times 2 does give me 6 and 3 plus 2 does give me 5, so it works. Put down my x's. X times x does give me x squared. 2 and 3. Don't forget I'm now going to multiply along the lines. 2 times x gives me 2x, 3 times x gives me 3x. Check, 2x and 3x does give me 5x. I should be okay. Put my brackets around my factors so I know that my factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Don't forget though, I took out negative 1 as a factor. It's still a factor. I need to include all factors. So for the quadratic of minus x squared minus 5x minus 6, the factors are minus out the front, negative 1 out the front, x plus 2 in one bracket, x plus 3 in the other bracket. Don't forget, as I said, when you use the cross method, the coefficient of x squared needs to be positive 1. This is the technique to deal with those negative quadratics.